Hello, it's International Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So the Fed hiked by 25 basis points and the Bank of England is expected to follow suit next week. The market's become rather immune to all these rate hikes with little reaction to the relative currency strength because the US, the UK and the EU, despite arriving late to the party, they've all been hiking rates in parallel to each other. However, with the Fed widely expected to pause now, we may see some differential development in the policy actions. If the Bank of England and the ECB continue to hike past the next meetings, we may see more reaction in the currency markets, especially against the dollar crosses. US rates are now at a 16-year high and Powell believes that higher rates are beginning to weigh on businesses and household budgets. Rates are restrictive now and the economy does look to be struggling for growth. Powell's press conference hinted at a pause. The suggestion was that it would allow time to assess the fallout from the recent bank failures. It would allow the political standoff over the debt ceiling to run its course. And of course, it would allow them to monitor the course of inflation, data-driven decisions and all that good stuff. So with that all done and dusted, focus now shifts to non-farm payrolls tomorrow. The Q1 data proved far stronger than expected. Remember how January had more than 500,000 new jobs created. Since then, the figures have settled back down a bit into a range closer to plus or minus 200,000 new jobs, and forecast is for a fall in the March number, with current calls around 180,000 new jobs. We'll come back to this tomorrow because, of course, we will be hosting the sweepstake. Ahead of all that excitement though, the dollar sold off on the idea of a pause from the Fed. The dollar index fell to 101.10 and sterling touched a high of 125.70 yesterday. We kick off this morning from around 125.85 against the dollar, 113.55 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 110.85 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Back again tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.